Okay, today we are going to apply a wall Priase. So we want to take our Priase, we want to get an idea of where we want it to go, and we're using a frame here instead of a wall as an example for you. So I have a feeling for where I want it to go. I am not going to tape it to my surface. I'm going to remove the Priase, set it aside. I'm going to use my application instructions, and I'm going to prepare my Priase. First I want to rub the back of it, and I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to rub the top, and what this is going to do is going to adhere my vinyl layer to the vinyl lettering. So I do that very well, paying careful attention to those little edges. Now I am ready to start to peel off the backing. I'm going to separate the two layers. Now we use a low adhesive tape, so you'll notice it's not very tacky. And sometimes that vinyl wants to stay on the backing and not go to the tape. So you see what I'm doing here? I'm folding over my edge. Going to just put my finger on that tape, and I'm going to start to roll, very carefully roll off my backing. And while I'm doing that, if some of these letters are coming up, I'm just going to use my fingers and my nails and kind of press down those letters. So I roll this back, and it doesn't matter if this backing paper gets all wrinkled. You can even tear it off as you're going along if it's in your way. And see right there, one came up. I'm going to roll back and push it back down into place with my fingernail. So it is pretty normal with this low adhesive tape for these letters to not stick quite as well. But once we're putting this on the wall is where that low tack adhesive is going to be wonderful. The Priase is going to stick to the wall, and then that tape is just going to come right off. So I had an idea of where I wanted my Priase to go, and I'm going to go ahead and just take this piece, kind of starting at the middle, let the middle fall first, drop it, and gently press it down. Okay, now I'm going to take my tool, burnish it in place. Use my tool also to just lift up, and you see how nice this application tape just comes right off. Now again, when we're taking it off, we don't want to rip it upwards. We want to roll it, and if it does hang on to a little bit of our vinyl product, then we go ahead and burnish it a little bit better, and it'll be kept down. And there we go. Our project is finished.